Hello YouTube, it is Saurabh from Classic Talk, bringing you another video in this rainy weather where I'm heading towards a shop to pick up something. So again, impromptu. I was looking for a product for a while. It's fairly new product. It's a camera, or let's call it's an adventure camera, which has just been released. My eyes were on it for a while, watched some videos, read some reviews, and I ended up purchasing it. So I am on my way to pick it up, and me being me, I don't do things normally, so I chose the wettest day of the year. It's started to rain after weeks and weeks, so there's a lot of rain coming down, and the place is a little far away from me. So around 65 miles each way. So you're talking 130 up and down. Not just that. It is 4 o'clock and the shop shuts at 5. So my sat-nav says I'll be there in an hour and 10. So no pressure there. Hello, so sorry for keeping you waiting.
That's okay.
Right, do I need any email or anything? To bundle. Perfect, thank you very much. Thank you, have a good evening, yeah? Cheers. Thank you.
Here is the Go Ultra. This is the creator bundle. What that means is that it comes with a few more goodies than the standard pack. So in the box, you have got all these things listed, but without further ado, I'm just going to open the box. Stay here. Right, here it is, very nicely packed. Let me just start taking stuff out. Okay, so this is empty. So what has this got? This has got I'm going to keep the packet upside down so that I can see that what the box has. Okay, so this is the mini tripod 2.0, just keeping it here. This is the camera, which I've seen online that a standard camera comes like this, so no accessories. This is the good old box standard. And what else do I have? Okay, another few boxes. I've got this Ultra Go magnetic quick release mount and the Go Ultra pivot stand. So this is one thing which I'm seeing quite a lot, that people bought the standard camera and they wanted a few more accessories and they couldn't get their hands on these ones. Not sure if it's only in the US or UK as well. But I got all these things. So in the box, as the box suggests, I have got the camera, action pod, quick release safety cord, magnet pendant, USB-C cable, lens guard, magnetic easy clip, release mount, 2-in-1 pod, pivot stand, quick startup guide, and warranty card. Okay, so let's start opening. Okay, so a few. Okay, so this is the tripod, and it comes with something else as well. Okay, so that is the pod it can sit in, so that goes in the camera, and that one just screws in. What is this? Oh, something is there as well. Okay, that's just a standard screw. Don't know what that is, but I think it goes here. Okay, it's got a magnet here. Oh, micro SD card holder. All right, fair enough. Nice, quite innovative. And if we try and open, okay, so the legs come out like this. Okay, fair enough. That is really cool. So you've got a mini tripod which sits there, quite sturdy, and to put it back, it's just nice. Quite excited to see the size of it, because online it does come across very small, considering the weight of it as well. And wow, that is good. Oh, it's stuck with the magnet. This is so small. This is amazing. If you look at the size of cameras, I'm shooting this video with DJI Osmo 5, and I thought that was small. But in front of this, Osmo 5 is a brick. Okay, I'm just going to nicely put it there. I'm going to open it. Think big. Fair enough. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, what do we have? We have USB-C cable. Stop taking it out. Okay. USB-C cable. This, I think, yeah, that's a neck band. You have got a baseball hat clip. You have got the pod itself, which is the screen, the controller, the pod, you call it. Okay, and what else do we have? Something is here as well. This is the, okay, so that's the quick release cord. Just good, gel pad, nothing else. What else is here? Okay, this is just the user manual. We don't read all that. How was it sticking on the magnet? Oh, what's this? Okay, so this is what the camera is. It just sits. Oh, nice. Locks nicely. To release it, you just, okay, you have to just bring it out like this. Goes in like this. So what do we have? We have a tripod, camera, cords, pendant, cable, and let's open this as well. Okay, so this is this. You get a little pad with it as well. Another one here. This. Okay, all right. So this is what it is. This is how it looks when it comes out of the box. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to get my memory card, start playing around with it, and share a quick video shot with this. But thank you for your patience, and I hope you liked it. In case you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you with another video very soon. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, because as I said, a lot of content is coming your way. Thanks for watching once again, and you look after yourself. Bye.
No.
So this is a quick comparison or handheld on the Insta360 Go Ultra. Just wanted to try out in the middle of nowhere, a lot of wind going on, so this will be the good time to test the microphone as well. And as you can see that I'm getting a lot of shade and shadow in this scene, so I'm hoping that the HDR works, but it'll be a good test for the HDR side of things as well.